model, 2016 Fiat Ducato 35 Maxi Multijet Long Wheelbase, Low Loader Luton box van needs engine repair no VAT. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 197160. MOT, the 12th of August 2025. Engine, 2287 CCF1AE3481DF. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts with a bump start. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, electric windows, air-con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.